Hello dear crocheters, this will be an informational video. I finally finished designing 3 patterns for a bunny in pajamas with lacy head, bunny in overalls and cap, and a bunny in dress and with bow. These are some of my most popular toys. If this video gets a lot of comments asking for masterclasses on these bunnies, I will make them and publish them here on my YouTube channel. Currently, only patterns in PDF format are available in my Etsy shop, Medintseva Toys. On Etsy, each pattern for a toy includes 2 PDF files, a full and short version. The full version has as much detail as possible, while the short version only has a pattern without photos, instructions and recommendations. The pattern for each bunny can be purchased separately, and there is also a 3-in-1 item. Individually, each pattern is now sold at a discount and costs about $5. There is also a 3-in-1 kit, that is 3 patterns for $9.9. One pattern comes out practically for free. The toy is made as simple as possible, but I will still classify it as an average level of complexity. The height of the bunnies is 25-27 centimeters or about 10 inches, naturally provided that the same yarn and hook are used, as well as the crochet density. By the way, I always indicate all the information about the toys, as well as the list of necessary materials at the beginning of the video and on the Etsy in the photo of the screenshot from the PDF file. Subscribe to Medintseva Toys so as not to miss new patterns. Links to the Etsy shop as well as to each pattern can be found in the description under the video. Thank you very much for being with me. Crochet with pleasure.